If you're running a small business, maybe you teach yoga or Pilates or breathwork, maybe you even have your own studio and you're trying to run a household and get cooking done and cleaning done and organizing and sorting. And maybe you're just dreaming of doing things a little differently. Maybe you're wanting a little bit more structure. Maybe you're wanting your business to grow and evolve so that you can have a little bit more free time for yourself and for all those passions and exciting things that you want to do, but you just don't know how to find or put a structure in place. Well, this workshop is then definitely for you. So if you're feeling like you just don't have the time, you don't have the capacity, or you don't actually even know where to start, I'm going to invite you to come along and join this business reset. It's not another kind of like business workshop where it's talking about productivity and go, and all the tools that you need to run a business. What we're actually going to do is we're going to take a moment to pause, we're going to reflect, and we're going to take a long-term view as to what it is we're wanting, and how do we break that down to what it is we are needing to do in the season of our life right now, given that we are maybe going through perimenopause or postmenopause. Maybe there are a lot of needs that people are requiring from you. Maybe there are a lot of commitments that you have in this phase. Maybe you're actually in a space where you've got a bit of time and space and you can really give it your all. So in this workshop, we are really going to get clear as to where we are right now, where it is we're wanting to go, and the structures that we need to put into place so that we can do that smoothly and not feel like we're constantly fragmented and jumping from here and there and everywhere, but actually are able to align ourselves, in other words, have aligned action with where we're wanting to go. So if you're really wanting simplicity and a step-by-step process that is going to help you get there, then make sure that you sign up for the workshop. I would love to see you there. We're going to be doing it every season, so you can come back every season and realign and make sure that you set yourself up for a season of success. So join us for this one. I can't wait to meet you, and yeah, I look forward to supporting you in the process.